Welcome everyone. We're in the wood hole. We're in we're really close to Johnny Arnett and Old Timers building site. Oh, today we have the we're running the 500i. I did bring another saw, but this little series of videos, there'll be probably two, maybe three videos in the series for the Aaron Lynch ported 500i. Okay, so yeah, so the first one will be, this first session will be the falling, how it works on the stump, and we'll talk a little bit about it when we get done falling it, and then we'll buck, and then we'll limb it up. We'll do some limbing with it and see how it acts, and then we'll just buck it up into firewood. Okay, I hope you're all having a great day, great week, and I appreciate everybody that comes here. I truly do. Truly. It's gonna be a good experience getting to know this chainsaw. And we're running a 32-inch bar. The tree that we're falling is this one right here. I saw that it only be fitting to have the first tree that we fall with this 500i be a Doug fir, right? Old Doug fir. I like to cut fur, yeah, that old Doug fir. You know. All right, so I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna let it warm up, do its thing. We're at a higher elevation. We probably, I don't know, we're probably 4,500 feet. So we've gained 2,000 feet elevation anyway from at my house. So we're going to let it do its thing. We're just going to let it warm up like I normally would down there. I'm not going to let it run for 15 minutes and do all that business, and we're going to see what happens. All right? So we will see you on the stump. We'll do the start. We'll do the start of it, okay? Cold start. I pumped the primer ball 8 times. Cold start. Yeah. Let's go. Right in country. Okay, there's our tree right here. I know it's kind of going into the sun, so you can't see it super well, but it's got a pretty decent sweep in it. It's probably 130 feet, 120, 130 feet. I don't know, probably 24 on the butt. If I didn't mention it earlier, it's a full house, square ground, factory steel chain. See that sweep? Yeah. And it kind of leans that way a little bit and back this way. We're going to go this way with it. Okay? We're going to follow it from this side of the tree because I don't want to be underneath it because it has that lean going that way. So I don't want to be down there. I want to be over here. Right? Okay. Let's get with it. She's full of ants. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. We'll see how far down it's rotten, huh? I don't want to set my... Works pretty good. I had kind of a little blurpy blubber there in the beginning of the first cut, but it cleaned up nicely. There it is. First fallen tree for me with the Aaron Lynch ported 500i. What a dandy saw. I went a little bit too far on my face cut. The reason I say that is because it's got this big cat face in the back of it. And I was pretty close to that with my hinge wood. And it went early. It had a pretty good lean down that hill though. But it went early. What a nice saw, Aaron. Wow, buddy. It rips on the stump. It rips. And I know it's kind of rotted on the stump, but that don't mean nothing to me because we're going to get into good wood right above that cat face, I think. Right? What a nice saw. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just going to cut this off here. Awesome, everybody. Thanks for joining me on this part of the adventure. Saw started great. Cut's great. And like I said, that stock chain. So we'll see what it does as far as what happens when we start bucking it into firewood with that stock chain. But it's square ground from the factory, steel chain. And the reason I went with that is because the 500i likes to eat. It likes that. But we will try the Oregon chain as well. No doubt about it. Because this saw doesn't four-stroke. It doesn't four-stroke. It hasn't on me yet. It'll hit the rev limiter way high, but it won't do that four-stroking business. Okay? So, thanks everybody for watching this far. And stay tuned for the next couple. I'm going to go down here and the next one will be the limbing. And we'll see how it reacts to that, and we'll talk a little bit about that. Okay? This saw is fast on the stump. I can say that. It is fast on the stump. All right. Love y'all. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling. Stay tuned. Thanks again, Aaron. You rock.